Hey there, aspiring content creators. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to cover: uploading and monetizing your videos on Rumble within just 24 hours. If you're eager to start earning from your content right away, you're in for a treat. So, let's dive in. To get your videos up on Rumble quickly, let's walk through the streamlined upload process. First things first, create your Rumble account. Head over to rumble.com and click on the Sign Up or Register button to get started. Once you're registered and logged in, find the Upload button on the top menu bar. Click on it to access the upload page. Drag and drop your video file directly onto the designated area or click to browse and select the file from your computer. Rumble supports various video formats, ensuring a smooth upload experience. Now that your video is uploaded, let's focus on monetizing it within 24 hours. Rumble offers several monetization options to help you start earning right away. First, make sure to add a captivating title, relevant tags, and a comprehensive description for your video. These elements optimize your video's discoverability, attracting more viewers and potential revenue. Next, choose an attention-grabbing thumbnail. You can either upload a custom thumbnail or select one automatically generated from frames of your video. A compelling thumbnail increases the likelihood of clicks and views. Expedite monetization approval. Now, let's expedite the monetization approval process on Rumble. Typically, Rumble reviews videos for monetization eligibility within 24 hours, but there are a few steps you can take to increase your chances. First, ensure that your video adheres to Rumble's content guidelines and policies. Avoid copyright infringement and any content that violates their terms. Second, engage with the Rumble community. Interact with other creators' videos, leave thoughtful comments, and participate in discussions. This activity demonstrates your commitment to the platform and may accelerate your monetization approval. Activate additional revenue streams. While waiting for monetization approval, consider activating additional revenue streams on Rumble to boost your earnings. Rumble offers several exciting options. Explore Rumble's licensing program. By selling licenses for your videos, you can earn extra income. Media outlets and businesses can purchase the rights to use your content in their projects, providing you with opportunities beyond ad revenue. Additionally, encourage your audience to support you through tips. Rumble's tipping feature allows viewers to show their appreciation by directly tipping you. It's a fantastic way to increase your earnings while building a loyal community. Lastly, keep track of your video's performance on Rumble. Check your analytics, monitor engagement metrics, and identify areas for improvement. Hope this helps and good luck to you. If you want to see all this in action, click the video on the screen.